Hi, this is what I'm going to talk about today. Contrapuntal sounds are usually an unconventional or unexpected choice of soundtrack. It stands out, and without it, the audience will get a totally different feeling. Throughout the history of cinema, they are used countless of times, and they result in many memorable scenes that we can actually hear the scene without listening to the actual sound. Personally, if I'm to define contrapuntal sound, I would say they are not what you should be hearing, but what you should be feeling. We usually get a sense of progression and anticipation of the story, while being immersed in a sequence, which has its own plot in terms of structure. Rising tension, climax, and back down. It can really change the way we look at things. Take this scene as an example. It shifts the audience focus on certain aspects of the story and even control what the picture is trying to tell. It enhances the contrast of Michael's transformation, good and evil. It's not about mob wars anymore. It also emphasizes his power as if he is raining down fire on those who he deemed deserves it. It can also tell the story by telling us what to feel. It brings closure, relief, reflecting the state of mind of Spike, our protagonist. Without the music, we'll be confused and at the same time, unfulfilled. The film itself is very self-aware, which musicals tend to be, or this. It can also help establish the stature of the characters, and sets the mood of the film.
Trucking.
Sometimes it is used to enhance emotion. It is not what you should hear, but what you should feel. This is just the extremely dramatic end to a dangerous tale of love, properly ending the storyline. According to Tarantino himself, he tends to write scenes based on the music, which is another reason why they just seem to click in place. It can be there to immerse as well as entertain. John Wick is in control, cool and composed. The camera is not shaky. There is also not a lot of fast and rapid movement, as opposed to this. You shouldn't deliberately use or avoid contrapuntal music. You go with what you think is right.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Stand to the right.